Welcome to part 3 of Learn English from Zero. Today we will learn about family and friends. Let's start with new words, simple and fun. Family words. This is my family. Repeat after me. Father, he is my father. Mother, she is my mother. Brother, he is my brother. Sister, she is my sister. Grandfather, he is my grandfather. Grandmother, she is my grandmother. Friends and people. Now let's talk about friends. Friend, he is my friend. Best friend, she is my best friend. Teacher, he is my teacher. Student, I am a student. Neighbor, she is my neighbor. All people around us are part of our life. Introducing family members. Let's learn how to talk about our family. This is my father. His name is David. This is my mother. Her name is Sarah. I have one brother and one sister. My brother likes football. My sister likes music. Can you talk about your family? Questions and answers. Let's learn how to ask simple questions. Who is he? He is my brother. Who is she? She is my mother. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Short conversation. Hello, what is your name? My name is Ali. Where are you from? I am from India. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Great job. You learned about family and friends today. Keep practicing every day. In part 4, we will learn about home and daily objects.